How can you deliver a great product presentation? Let's find out. So for the last 15 years, right, I've trained thousands of people on the art of presenting and public speaking. And as you can imagine, from all the companies that myself and my team we've trained so far, many of them have also been product presentations, where you either introduce your product, to the company, to the team, to the public, and in many cases, of course, especially to customers. So how can you do a better job? I want to share with you the top 3 tips how you can give better product presentations. Number 1, when you're presenting your product, you want to focus on the core benefits. As an example, if I were to introduce this microphone here to you and why you should care and be interested in this microphone, I have to point out the core benefits, right? This microphone has better sound than anything, so all of your recordings will sound phenomenal. And another benefit that I really love about it, look at the gorgeous design. If you take videos for YouTube, this looks just gorgeous, this just looks phenomenal. Now, very important, and you just saw me do it as well, when you talk about benefits, benefits are not features. I could be talking about that this microphone has a certain recording system that I don't know about right now, or that it's silver, or etc. And don't get me wrong, features are important too. But in the end, you want to talk about core benefits. What is the benefit that your audience will get out of this product? What's the emotional benefit especially? Will it make them feel more special, unique, superior? Will it help them improve their relationships? What is the emotion? What is the exact benefit that they can get from your product? You got to get it across. You really got to get it across to your audience. And from my experience, most product presenters, they just don't do it. They talk about the facts, the figures, the details, the features. They never get to that emotional core benefit. So if you have your next product presentation, think first about what is the biggest benefit of our products. Number 2, have a live demonstration. Now you saw me do it before already, but the very basic is you have to bring the product. They have to see the product, you have to show the product, they have to see at least what it looks like when you share those core benefits in your presentation. And then secondly, even more powerful, demonstrate the product. Demonstrate it in front of the whole audience. Now this microphone, as an example, I could record in front of the whole audience. Or even better, I could compare it with 2-3 other microphones in the market and then let my audience decide which sound was actually better. And I could also let them look at the microphones, which of these microphones actually looks better. So for you as well, think about how can you demonstrate the core benefits of your product to your audience. And by the way, an even more advanced tip, involve the audience in the demonstration. So not you're recording your voice with a microphone, you let an audience member record it so everybody can see it and everybody knows it's really real. Number 3, present with passion. Now, for any presentation, presenting with passion is very essential, but I would say in a product presentation is probably even more important. If your audience cannot feel your passion about your product, forget it. You might as well stop right away. If you don't believe in your product, how can they believe in it? That is impossible. That is not a possibility. Now, don't get me wrong. You don't want to go overboard. You don't want to be crazy passionate. So don't do that either. But have a good high amount of passion that shows you like the product, you love the product, you care about the product, and you care what it can do for your audience, what the benefits are for your audience. But be passionate. And as a final bonus tip, if you give a lot of product presentations, I strongly recommend, just for practice and to get some ideas, watch TV home shopping channels. Yeah, home shopping channels often have amazing presenters who are very good showing the benefits of a product, delivering it very, very well with good level of passion to the audience. Just again, be sure some of these TV shopping guys, they're a little too passionate. Yeah, so don't watch those. No, watch those that you feel you could connect with the most, that your audience also would be connecting with the most, and then learn a couple of tips from them. Learn a little bit about how to deliver your product better. Take some ideas that they've presented well and apply them and use them for your product presentation also. So comment below one time, what is your typical product presentation? What kind of challenges do you have when you're introducing, when you're presenting your product to your audience? And hey, which of these 3 tips are you going to use from now on? By the way, if you haven't done it yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up in the future as well. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, a like also. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.